Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can change the partition name into your Windows 10 and 11. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first we will go to our this PC and you can see I have three drives over here. One is home C drive, power D drive and new volume E drive. So I am going to change this powerhouse D drive into powerhouse F drive and new volume. Going to create a new name for this. So just follow my step. It's very simple. So first we will go to our start icon, click on your right mouse button and go for settings, and then we will go to our system options and scroll down a little bit and we will find storage over here. So click on that, and after that in the storage you will get an option called advanced storage settings. So click on that. And after that you will get disk and volumes option. So click on that. And after that you will get a lot of options, like you can see this is our home C drive and this is our powerhouse D drive and new volume E drive. So click on the properties section over here and then click on the change driver later, and I am going to name it as E driver. Oh, there is no E driver, so I'm going to name it as A driver and then click OK. And then we will go to back and then going for the new volume E. Click on the properties and now we will change the label. So the label is the name, so click on the change the label, and we will going to name it as important or documents. And then click apply. And after that, if you now go to the file explorer, if you refresh it, you can see that our powerhouse A drive is at the beginning, and we literally changed the driver later, and also we changed our this driver name. You can see it's fitted in documents. So this is how you can change the partition name into your Windows 10 and 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.